She's so cute, right?
Yeah.
What's the name of this bird?
I don't know.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Well, half of the day is already passed and I'm saying good evening. And let me take you back, have a look at those.
Let's sleep.
Why is this parrot hanging on its nose?
Talent.
Talent. This is how they drink water. Look at this. Oh my lord, this is so cute, right? There's one white, one dark. There are other two here. See? This is probably the most beautiful, right? In this shop. Oh my god. Hi. How are you? So cute, right? By the way, guys, we were in pet shop and a lot of amazing pets are there. A lot of birds. Really cute birds. I love them. I think there is some show going on over there.
1, 2, and go. It's live or open your mouth. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. All together. Abracadabra.
I think it's big. Yeah.
This is large, so I should try medium one.
Yes.
Yeah. This is large, that was medium. So can you please bring me one small? So this is small. Can you my size is small?
Your size small?
Not forget about large, not even medium, and then small. I don't understand one thing. In another company, medium is so big, even small is okay, and here medium is so tight to me. You see, can't even stretch my hand. How's it?
Very nice.
It's okay. So I'll buy this. Do you need a picture or a video? Picture. Priyanka, you wanna win this car? This car is for lucky draw.
Do you think I can drive? It's very big.
You don't need to push and drive it. You just need to sit down in it and hit the gas and it's gonna drive by itself. By the way guys, enough shopping man. I am tired of shopping and no more shopping from next time. Only for you, not for me.
Very inspiring.
Yeah, super hungry man. Take me somewhere where I can eat.
Let's go.
Priyanka, even parrot doesn't like you. Let's go. Guys, basically I never bring any kind of negativity in the vlogs. I always say positive things and stuff like this, but I was watching one of the vloggers vlog and it kind of saddened for me. I don't know I should talk about it or not, but you know, I was watching Mo Vlogs video that day with you, and then basically I watch every single day, and it's not, I don't know if I should continue saying this, it's not just I don't know how to put it into words. That gentleman has been uploading videos, like I've been following him for last 2 years, and not even one single day this guy has missed. Like he uploads 9 PM Dubai time exact. I mean, he has been so particular, he has been so punctual about it, which is so impressive guys. You know, I've been watching a lot of biggest YouTubers, like I will not name them, like 10 million and beyond subscribers, but still they have not been that much regular as this gentleman has been regular. And secondly guys, this was one, that he has been very punctual, but the second thing is he has been very consistent, the energy level and everything. Bringing out stuff for one day in a week or once in some time is okay, but bringing out stuff every single day is very difficult. What do you think?
Of course.
I mean, talking on the same happy, energetic, you know, pace, you know, not an easy thing. You know, sometimes the mood is upset because he's been uploading every single day exact 9 PM Dubai time. You will see his video is live. Maybe sun is there today, no, maybe sun forgot to rise, but his video will never forget, live 9 o'clock.
Yeah. True.
Yeah.
I
You
should
agree?
learn. I should learn punctuality from him.
Yeah, he's been so good. What he did is he saw one dog, yeah, dog's name is Rosie, and then he saw it on the road, and then he decided to, you know, get it because that Rosie was so thirsty, hungry, whatever. He gave food, he bring it back to home, and he took it to the hospital to scan the body. Maybe there is a chip and he can find out who is the owner and things like that, but they couldn't find out. But then they got the owner somehow could manage to get to contact him and got his Rosie back from him. But what really disturbed me, I was reading his comments below, and you know, the amount of negativity that he has stolen the dog, he has done this wrong, he has done that wrong. To be honest, I don't find anything he has done wrong, you know.
I mean, first of all, he is one of them who could save a life.
Yeah, he actually saved that dog's life, you know. Guys, we should be appreciating and, you know, cheering him up for doing the great thing.
Just think, he is so busy. He has a great busy schedule, as we spoke about it.
Yeah, when he
Still,
said
he found time to do something for the dog.
You wanna find out the owner and return the dog back. You know, people start like, you don't wanna care of this dog, you don't wanna do this, blah 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 blah. Definitely man, he cannot take care, but I think, I'm not sure his life, I don't know him personally, but he has been uploading every single day, and it takes a lot of hard work, it takes a lot of persistence, it takes a lot of consistency, it takes a lot of, you know, your positivity. If you're not happy, if you're not smiling, your videos will not be good. It's 100%. You know, I've been uploading videos for quite some time now, and I can tell you this, that you know, if you're not happy, your video will not be happy, your video will not look good. Yeah guys, that's all I wanted to say, that if someone is doing good, just show some kind of positivity and do not put things in a negative way. And to be honest, I have been watching his videos for quite a long time, and I have been looking up to him, and he has become one of my favorites just because he has been so consistent and so strict to his work. I love him now, guys. You know, you know, I like this gentleman. So guys, show some love for the people who have been trying to do good. Yeah, that's all I wanted to say. I don't know if I will upload this particular scene or not, but yeah, I think I did not say anything wrong. I wanted to be positive about it, and I couldn't stop myself because there were a lot of negativities. So a little bit positivity I'm putting from my side by making this video. So yeah, that's all I want to do. There is no other intention. Yeah, that's all. By the way, she had burger today, and she has been on diet for a long time. But it's okay. After some time, you should eat whatever you feel like eating. So yeah. Yeah, it's okay, it's okay. We were planning to watch movie Apes, and then again actually, if you remember our last video, then we were planning before also, and we couldn't make it because she was so sleepy that time. And same thing is happening today as well. She's again so sleepy and she wanna go and sleep. So yeah, we are not watching movie. Yeah, I think I should say bye now, guys.
No, don't say bye.
Bye.
We still didn't reach home.
Anyways guys, enjoy your life. As I always say, enjoy your life, be brave guys. Whatever you wanna achieve in your life, just strive for your dreams.